Hey guys, so in this video I'll be comparing the specs of the Oukitel K16 Mini with the Cubot King Kong Mini 3. The Oukitel K16 is expected to be sold for $150 from May 22nd, which I think is its official launch date, while the King Kong Mini 3 is currently sold for $150 as well. So before I continue, have in mind that comparing the specs of two devices is not enough to conclude that one device is better than the other. This is just for entertainment purposes and of course to let you guys know the differences and similarities between these two smartphones. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's quickly compare the specs of these two nice compact devices. So the Oukitel K16 is 15.7mm thick. Currently its weight is not known, but I believe the device would be lightweight. The King Kong Mini 3 is 13.4mm thick and it weighs just 149 grams. The Oukitel K16 has a 3.5-inch HD display, while the King Kong Mini 3 has a 4.5-inch display with a 480 by 1170 resolution. That's less than HD, guys. So while the display of the Oukitel K16 is smaller in size, its resolution is still superior to that of the King Kong Mini 3. The K16 is powered by the MTK 8788, which is the equivalent of the Helio P60. The King Kong Mini 3 is powered by the Helio G85, guys. The Helio G85, as we all know, is far more efficient than the Helio P60. So I expect much more better performance on the King Kong Mini 3. The Oukitel K16 utilizes 8GB RAM and it has 128GB internal storage that is expandable. The King Kong Mini 3 has 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage as well. The K16 runs on the Android 13 while the King Kong Mini 3 runs on the Android 12. So that's a win for the K16. So moving on to cameras, both devices features a single camera at the rear. The main camera of the Oukitel K16 is 48MP while that of the King Kong Mini 3 is 20MP. And the selfie camera of the K16 is 8MP while that of the King Kong Mini 3 is 5MP. So obviously in terms of specs, the K16 has a much more superior camera setup. The battery capacity of the K16 is 3050 mAh. There is no mention if it supports fast charging, but I believe the device might support at least 10 watts charging. The King Kong Mini 3 is backed by a 3000 mAh battery. It also doesn't support fast charging, so I think it might support just 10 watts charging as well. So all the features of both devices are pretty much the same. Both devices support Bluetooth 5.0, they support NFC, Face ID, and so forth. Have in mind that both devices lacks a fingerprint scanner. So that's it for the comparison. If you have anything to share, feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.